Welcome to Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule auto shutdown in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you're gonna do is just go to your search bar, and in here, search for Task Scheduler. Then just open up Task Scheduler. Then just expand this window. From here, just click on Create Basic Task. Then just wait. This window will pop up. Here, just give it a name, Shutdown at 12. Then click on Next. Then click on One Time Only. Then click on Next again. Then just set a time from here, whatever time you want. Just set the time and click on Next. Then click on Start a Program. Then here, just type anything. For example, I'm gonna type Shutdown. And in the add argument, set this /s space /f space /t space 0 and click on Next. Then just see all this and check if the time is correct and click on Finish. And then you can just close this. And we have successfully scheduled the shutdown time. Now our PC will automatically shut down at our set time. And that is how to schedule auto shutdown in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.